Hi guys, today we are making spaghetti bolognese. In the pot I have 1 onion together with chili and curry leaves. Let that fry a while. I am going to spice this up a bit, so I'm adding about a tablespoon of mixed masala, enough ginger and garlic, as well as a tomato. Let this fry for about 2 minutes. Next, add in your mince, followed by some salt, and let this fry until the mince browns slightly. To the fried mince, I am now going to add some bolognese sauce, or you can add one of these cook-in bolognese sauces. You can also add in some peppers if you like, and some mixed herb. I'm also going to add a little bit of coriander and let this simmer on a low heat for about 10 minutes, and the bolognese sauce will be complete. Do give this a try.